to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is listening to a video or tape that was made by Harry. And Harry is on that tape and he's class in 13. He's saying that she's saying that she did not beg anything. And basically, he's asking the question, like, why would she say she didn't? But, you know, these can be speculations, allegations, and everything. But they're talking about it. And Maxine is also talking about this. So, as you know, Ari, he always has information on people because basically he does his research. He always does his research. So go catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourself some wonderful day.
Social media, Harry them beg. Harry them beg. You know, say me like the Glade plug-in, yeah. And me first send Glade plug-in go down there. Me love this a fragrant and that a fragrant. And me send it go down there. That's how them beg, Harry. That's how them beg. Then I come out come beg, so you know. Them beg.
If I talk about it, can you say that beg nobody nothing? We don't want them talk for 13. Eh? Your house clean up yet? Your tent clean up yet? You change the tarpaulin? And that is for good door.
Yes, me want a bigger pot. Boy, you see you remember when they get the stove or when they get the fridge? Boy, me no like this a fridge, yeah. Or that a fridge there. Oh, don't you when you see big fridge come in? Me no like this and me no like that. Or me want this or me want that. I saw them beg. Love, you know what me I talk about. I saw them beg. I saw them beg.
You got the maggots them out of your foot, you throw peroxide down in there. When I say now I'm purple ocean, move your big stinking nasty gully rat blood clot. Your teeth like your mama. Your teeth like...
Me remember one day they want money. I love me I talk to. They want money. And hear them now. Boy, me want do this or me want do that. Me like a them bumbo idiot take up me $300 send down there. This are for you, Joshie and Paula. Me they call their name. This are for you, Joshie and Paula. I know me no hear breeze blow about it. By the time me quint, one day that $200. If me fi show no the receipt them and the money them, you not go believe it. You not go believe it. Then can't come out and tell nobody say they no beg or they no take nothing from nobody. You know go away. You can't contact to me, me have the receipt and everything.
Your mama, use your big nasty big toilet where you have in your face and go class cracker teeth. Why you can't do that? Cause your mama, the whole enough you lap up underneath her body. Cracker teeth shit in your mama mouth and it's shame on no. No redeem her as long as Harry there. Remember me telling her that. No big nasty chop up mama we don't got Jamaica when I look good. Where go rub butter. I'm not even butter that, I forgot vegetable oil. Go rub out vegetable oil.
Christine, I come out here and they beg $1 and $2 for they buy food and stuff like that. Everybody knows say me I beg money for buy food and then something. Me not have no shame to me game. Me no shame because me I come out and do it. Adana, Ashanti, Lorraine, all of them uno know uno self and uno nyam me down to nothing. And uno nyam me down to nothing. And a little bit of credit card me max out pan them. You wouldn't understand, Christine. A lot of people pan you would never understand. But any day you find yourself in a depression and loneliness, I should say loneliness, need company, need somebody to talk to, no we understand. Every dollar me get, you know we hear the story before this done.
Remember the parquet commercial, remember foreign McGraw? Remember foreign McGraw, them can't fool me like how them can't fool, you know? Parquet say light butter. What it mean?
It's not like butter. It's not butter.
But I mean it's not butter.
Yep.
And a land lakes, shall use. Yeah, so I'm taught the things them now. Stand called stinking old 13.
Yep.
So you want that to come out, you come defend the lad, you go and move your teeth. When you a come out, come defend, big stinking nasty 100 takeaway one for your mama. She turned Jesus sister, she heal your blood clot, sore foot or maggot drop out of yet. So wake your brother who were dead like Lazarus yet.
Oh Lord Jesus. Help me, Lord.
So where you come defend for?
I no drink some water.
She get the people them things.
She get me things them, Ari.
The critique system have me have what she attack.
Yes.
Remember? The box of book where it go down there, she got pure things from America.
Yes.
How we have things to send go give people? You ever see things that come from Jamaica come up here?
No.
Luxury item, sugar cane, rum, and them something there.
Mm-hmm.
But when I send for clothes and boots and shoes and money from down there, how she do that? Cause yes right there, America right there.
Mm-hmm.
St. Carl stinking 13.
Dirty
One mouth
13.
full of lie. At that time, mama PR for.
Yes.
How much guilt does she get from there?
Dirty
What
drunk.
it's like, what?
Dirty drunk. Stink food.
You remember that conversation? 13, anybody can chat to you.
Oh,
You
please.
left Jamaica where you have down there. You say you come from down at Kingston 13. Me don't know for Rostone, me don't know for Maxine, me don't know for Waltham.
Hi, Nicole.
Which one of the lane or the gully or the gutter them have something down there? Me them not go uptown. Which one of the lane or the gully or the gutter you have something?
Guys, what I want to know if you understand, Ari's not defending me. What he's doing is telling you guys the truth. The truth as it is from day one. From the day that I come out, you know, already see the truth already say she lie. And she come back and try to clear her name. But he can't clear. You lie, you lie, you lie. Can't clear. So Ari's only telling you guys the truth. Those of you who are willing and can sit down and listen the truth.
Down there. Where you picnic there, the big picnic them where you run where left down there. That's the top, Bob.
Yes. Come chat about it 13. That's it stinking 13. What this girl?
You remember the conversation, the Maxine? When you take a chant to the coast down and then I get it underneath. What Maxine do you nasty 13? All she do a taking Ashanti there also make cold come off and back to America 4 season with turbo weather. I make her ungrateful and stay bad, so. All she do, I send her money go social security down in Jamaica go give you your workplace.
Yes, Ari. Yes. But wait, 13. You're talking about me when me and Ashanti they talk and him a try to defend me against Donna with all of the fuckery what I'm going with. Yes, him and sister. Yes, the conversation talk. Yes, me go around and Maureen Vassal go drink soup. Yes, we did talk. So what about it, 13? What you have to do with it? What does you got to do with it? Yes, dirty, nasty, rotten, stinking foot.
Mama beg slippers and barrel and all kind of things that shine our friend them yam and cocoa it. Rice, flour, sugar, oil, bread, tea, everything. America have it like that. We can't overdo it.
Yes.
You barrel seed there.
Yes.
How happen? If she never even give her enough cash, when she add up the things in the barrel are more than $1 million, how happen?
Ari, she getting more than that in a cash. Ari, in get whole heap in a cash. Whole heap. Thousands and thousands in a cash. Thousands and thousands in a cash. Not to mention the container that go up there. The container will go up there. So when you hear she said 30,000, that's 30,000 US dollars that was spent. 30,000 US dollar. Every card, every money me get, everything. She get more than 30,000 US. From me they donate to our charity till now, she went charity case. She and her kid, Paula, and all of them was charity case before them ending up on the charity for real. And I'm not making a joke and I'm serious. She get a lot of money more than what was said. You talk.
How me can't tell you. You can pack a berry right now with cheap clothes. Go down there, go down in a town, the make like a Christmas. Call dude we selling at the big like Christmas. Me not ask you. Tell me, I tell you. So she never the girl not cash. Yeah, man.
Get the cash.
Add up to that or more.
Get the cash, baby. Get the cash.
What? What's it now? Bumbo, who you call at the Ashanti because Dana, you never blood clot member that but you should have shit like dog. You hypocritical like what? On the day out there every day approve on the sales on a walk list. I say everything wanna do a lie. Where you do on film page, remember I'm classy and angle up. You wanna make a start here that mascot big stinking sore foot woman?
Yeah.
You know, say I play all the big stinking don't said woman play on enough time cause she not come out, you know. She can't blood clot come out. She have no rep to come out. Her name good to come out. Come chat to nobody. How I'm big dirty woman who only alone will follow. How I'm big nasty dirty woman who sit down on her veranda. Not even a veranda. Oops, her sidewalk. Where she build one fall club over.
Yeah. Yeah,
with our big stinking toilet mouth. Yeah. Our mouth will want flush. Nobody never asked her nothing. Yet she show up our big nasty stand for people shit tonight.
Oh, what is her money?
The gangrene with her footage.
What is her money she get?
Just pick out the green them want grow right.
What is her money she get?
And the maggots them were inside of it.
Before it start even go pan charity. Before it start go pan charity. What is her money? It come like a million support them.
Must have stop beg already. I want people to inspire. And then them won't have nothing for say them they give her